Okay, repeat transformation. I've got an image here which is loaded up. I've got a plain background behind it. Now it doesn't actually move the image apart from when you transform it. So I'm going to scale this one down a little bit and rotate it a little bit. Maybe scale it down another little bit. Now those are just transformations. So then we click OK, and then we go Control Alt Shift T and keep pressing it, and it'll go round and round and round and round and round. I'm going to go till we get all the right way up. Okay. Let's go backwards. Right, let's make it go the other way. Okay, so we got it there, and I'm going to shrink it down a little bit and rotate it a little bit. Maybe shrink it down a little bit more. Click OK. Control Alt Shift T, and now it's going to go the other way around. Perfect. I'm going to leave it there. Important thing to remember as well, if you're using these kind of shape tools, hang on, let's put a colour in with those. Fill, yeah, one of these. Fill, stroke. Yeah, if you're doing these kind of shapes, and you do a transform, rotate, when you do Control Alt Shift T, they go behind each other. Whether it's a bug or intended, I don't know. The way to stop this happening is by rasterizing the layer. Then it'll work normally, which is different from the last video I did where I covered this. Get rid of those. And we'll leave it there. Thank you for watching.